Hello and good evening friends. My name is Shantanu Vaidya. I am here with the new video topic. My today's video topic is main method in Java. So let's start with the today's video topic, that is main method. What is the main method in Java, or what is the use of that main method? I will explain first main method with the syntax type, and then I'll explain the deep what exactly main method will work, or what is the uh, process behind the main method working. So main method starts from syntax wise. I am saying that main method start from static void. First it will start from public static void, then main, then in bracket string, argument, and after that a square bracket, and after that bracket complete. So this is the syntax wise written of your main method of your program. So main method is nothing but a start point of JVM. JVM looks for main method to execute your program. JVM directly goes to the main method, and in between that main method it will going to execute first, then only it will going to create an object, static methods, and after that it is going to execute other methods, and after that it is going to create an object of that particular methods. So this is the basically flow chart of execution of program. First of all, JVM looks for two things. First one is static block, and after that main method. If in our program there will be a not any static block, then main method then JVM looks for your main method and going to execute that only first, and after that it will going to next static methods and static variables. So this is the main function of your JVM starts of your execution of your program. First, private is a access modifier. It means the main method can be operate, or can be um, assigned, or execute from anywhere of your program. So that is why public access modifier is used in front of your main method. After that, static, it means you don't have to create your object of that your particular main method. If you create an object of your main method, it is not going to execute first, because JVM does not understand that what exactly the method is going to perform the operation, because main method is going to perform firstly and then after static methods. So if we are creating an object of that particular method, main method, so it will not going to execute firstly. So that is why we are going to put a static keyword, so that it will get execute first by JVM. This is the second parameter. Third one is public static void. Void is empty, null value. Public static void main. Main and curly braces. Main and your brackets are the syntax of your JVM. It means it is the predefined keys, or it is the predefined structure of your JVM to execute that particular main method. With the help of main and that bracket, it identify the this is the main method. After that, in that bracket, there is an array, which data type of that array is the data type of that array is string. So that is why we are putting string space or args, or arguments, short form of arguments, and after that square bracket. So exactly it means it will perform operation of array. It is going to store a element which is come from user end, or it can be a predefined. So this is why the in between that bracket there will be a array which has a string data type, and it is going to store a string values it can be stored a number, but the similar number that will be a string numbers only. So this is the whole concept, and this is the whole explanation of syntax wise and what is the exactly meaning of that particular parameters. So main method can be written in this type. So what exactly argument will work, or what is exactly string will work, or that particular array will work, I'll explain. Because if we are going to give the values or a type of data to the main method, so we are going to implement a array. In front of that array we are going to put that particular data type. So string is going to string is perform any kind of it means it can be a numerical, or it can be a characters, or it can be a anything. So that is why we are using string array for our main method. So it will be easily compared, or it will be easily perform the operations of our main program, and it will be execute fastly, and it will be um, get compared between other static methods or non-static methods by main static method. So this is all about today's topic. What exactly JVM looks, or how exactly JVM perform the operation, I'll explain that, and that also. First of all, JVM look for in your program there can be a more than one main methods, but there can be a different signs. So what exactly it means, if we are going to put two main methods, so we are for example, I'm going to put a main method for integer values. So I have to write a string, sorry, public static void main, in that particular bracket integer a. So it that main method is going to be integer main method. And after that, if I want to put a character or something else, so I'm going to again write a public static void main. In between that, I can write that main and string area in between that particular brackets, or outside that bracket. So it will be sign changing of the your both methods. So that will be helpful for JVM to understand which one is first main method and which one is second main method. Otherwise it will going to create your main methods object, and so it will be not it will be impacted to your main method. So it will not going to perform the operation of your main method. It will be going to perform a normal static method or normal methods. So that is why we are going to create, or we are using the string arrays and public keyword, then after that static keyword, public access modifier and static keyword, and void null, void for null arguments or null values, and after that array for your main method. This is all about for today's topic from me. Thank you so much.